just you and me. Just you and me. Under the midnight sun.
Well, welcome to Monday morning, July 27th, I believe it is. 55 degrees. Mostly cloudy right now. And the chance of some showers during the day today. The boat. All right. All of our neighbors that are close by are off doing their own thing today. They're busy with projects on their own, so I have no one to call on to get some help moving this boat downriver about 100 feet, 150 feet actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a couple of 100 feet of bow rope on, and we're just going to let it float back. And we'll try to get it into our little cove down there. Once it's there, putting this engine on will be fairly easy. Well, I still have the Nissan to take care of. Unfortunately, I found a lower unit, $3,080, and that did not include shipping. So I think I'll try to find somebody that's got a Nissan 30 and maybe got a blown engine on it or something. It's got to be a better way to go. Okay, Michelle is the rope feeder. The boat is right there, and we are just letting it drift down to our little slip down there. Unfortunately, there's a tree in the water, and the boat is backed into it right now, so I've got to take a pole and push it out.
Just flop down?
No. Oh, no, no.
Don't what?
Feed it.
I'm not feeding it.
Oh, no.
I was holding it.
I know, but give it lots of slack there because it's hung up on something.
Okay.
Yep.
Is it going?
Barely.
Well, it's going pretty fast now.
Oh, that's just the rope sliding into the water. Boat's hardly moving.
How's it now?
It's good.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
You feed it rope.
Keep going?
Yes.
And when it runs out of rope?
You're not going to run out of rope. Nope.
You want me to pull it back?
Nope.
Get it?
Yeah. Okay, the bow rope is hanging up on something. Yep.
The fun part's going to be how you're going to get that turned around.
Easy.
Oh, okay. Hey, no puppies. You're not going anywhere. Hi, Connie.
No, move.
Come
Beep
here.
beep.
Back here. Come on. Back. Thank you.
The green monster has landed. Or whatever color that is.
Yeah, we'll call it the green monster.
Here you go.
Just hold it or...
No, I need to tie it off over
Oh,
here. So.
well, you need to let me know that's what you want.
All right, stop.
This isn't tied to... Oh, this is still tied to the boat.
Yeah.
Is that tight enough?
Hold on, I'm in the way. All right.
Tighter?
No, it's fine. Okay, the boat is turned around, and now I've got to make me a pole tripod and use a come along hook to the get the cowling off the engine to where I can get to the hook on the top of the engine and get hooked to it and lift it up, and then Michelle will have to let me drift out just a little bit so the stern of the boat clears the bank here. Then I can lower the engine down onto the transom and get it locked in place. Well, good morning. It's Tuesday, July 28th, 2026. We woke up to 34 degrees this morning, and it's supposed to be really nice throughout the day today, so that's going to make it a little more pleasant down here trying to get this engine mounted. Well, at this point, this is the setup. I've got to raise it up enough to get the cowling off and get the ratchet strap hook onto the anchor point on top of the engine, and then I should be able to lift it straight up. Okay, I've had to take it down, put it back up. This is the third time now. Maybe it is going to work. Could not get the ratchet strap adjusted just right, so I kept running out of ratchet before I even got tension on the strap that's around the engine. So anyway, this will be attempt number 3. Well, progress being made, slowly but surely. Now, let's see. I need to clear this 2x out. stick it right here. Now, yeah, we got to get that off.
Well,
yeah, see if you can lift it up and just pull that. Hold on. I think I can squeeze in here. Okay, that shifter rod is in a bad spot. Kind of have to have some up pressure on it. There's a rod right here that we cannot let get bent.
okay. Well,
And that's a
hold on. Are we gonna have to center it more? Or?
probably. I got to check center. And
This was kind of Frank's idea too, except a little different.
yeah. Okay.
Are we all right?
Yep, we're good. What I got to do is untie this stern rope, and I'll use the 2x4 to ease the boat out just a little bit.
Okay, so you want me to go?
Yeah. Well, here we are with another dilemma. The river has dropped. The stern of the boat is sitting on the bank now. And I got to push it out enough to where the engine will cradle on there all the way. Lock it down, then I can turn the boat around. Okay, the engine is mounted, the boat is turned around. Now I've got to finish dressing it up and it'll be ready for a test run. Well, let's gas up the fuel can. Time. Unfortunately, I have a bad nozzle on this can. So, I am wondering, let me try something. Nope. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. Oh, jeez. Well, I was told it'd be hard to start the very first time, but alrighty then, engine is going. A little bit later we'll take it out for a test spin and we should be good to go. Well, thanks everybody for watching. If you would like this video, share it, leave us a comment, and above all, subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you next time right here on Alaska Bush Living.
Alaska bush living, you and me. An Alaskan love story, you and me. Alaska bush living.